It's welcome to my channel. In this video I am covering 4th standard English chapter from unit 2, The Little Fir Tree. The Little Fir Tree is a story about a fir tree. Do you know what is a fir tree? A tree with thin leaves, needle shaped leaves that do not fall off in winter. So Seti the magician was returning home. One day the magician named Seti was returning to his home when all of a sudden it began to rain. Then what happened? All of a sudden, if he was on the way, then it started raining outside. It rained very heavily. Seti looked around for shelter. Then Seti looked around for shelter, and then suddenly he saw a pretty little fir tree. So he ran towards that tree as fast as he could. Soon the rain stopped. Soon the rain stopped. So the magician was very happy because he didn't get wet. So he was very happy. Then he said thank you to the fir tree. He said, "You have been very kind to me. I would like to reward you." Then magician said, I want to reward you because you gave me shelter. I will reward you. You ask me for 4 wishes, and surely I will grant them, said the magician. As I said, the fir tree have leaves like needle, and so birds do not make nests on them. One day, the little fir tree is granted 4 wishes by a magician. So first it said, "I wish I had green leaves like my other friends." So next day, what happened? Next day its wish was granted, and fir tree was very happy. Now I have a green leaves. I look like my other friends. But what happened? Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves of a fir tree. Oh, then fir tree was very sad. Then fir tree think, "Oh, I wish I had a gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves." Then he think that I wish I had a gold leaves. Why gold leaves? Because goats do not eat gold leaves. So he wished second wish. First wish was I had green leaves. Okay, and second wish is I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. So next day when little fir tree woke up, it was surprised. It was surprised to see gold leaves, and then again it was very happy. Then what happened? A man came along and stole all the gold leaves. Then again fir tree was very sad because it wished that I had the gold leaves, but a man came along and stole all the gold leaves. Then again fir tree wished I had glass leaf instead, because if I'll have glass leaves, men do not steal glass leaf. So next day its glass leaf shone in the bright sun. Next day again its third wish granted. Next day its glass leaf shone in the bright sun. So it was very happy. Fir tree was very happy. Now I have glass leaves. Now goat can't eat my leaves, and a man can't steal my gold leaves. But at night, the wind blew. The wind blew, and all the glass leaves of fir tree broke. All the glass leaves of fir tree broke, because the glass leaves are so delicate. So if fast wind will blow, then all the glass leaves will broke. So again fir tree was very sad. "Oh dear," said the fir tree, "I like my old needle like leaves best." Then fir tree think, my old needle like leaves were the best, because goats do not eat them, no man can steal them, and the wind will do them no harm. So I was happy with my old needle like leaves. The tree went to sleep. Then tree went to sleep, and when it woke up in the next morning, so its fourth wish granted. It hurled all its needle back again. Then it was very happy because it's all the needles back again. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. The fir tree was very happy. So now, moral of the story, instead of being happy with what it has and what it is, the fir tree wants more. It always wants more. This story teaches us lesson about how we look at the world. Instead of looking at the negativities, we should always look for the positivities around us, and we should never compare ourselves to others. What we have, we should always be happy. So that was the very interesting story of a little fir tree. So if you like my videos, like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you want more videos, then you can write in comment section. Thank you.